Ninth question I'm going to answer is about simultaneous equations, how to work out simultaneous equations in order to get different parameters which can relate to the assumptions of any particular area of concern, like people's age, people's money, and everything as the question suggests. Sarah calculates that 5 times her age and 3 times her brother's age gives a total of 100. The sum of Sarah's age and her brother's age is 22. Find the age of Sarah and her brother. So in order to do this question, we have to assume first. Therefore, let's consider Sarah's age is equal to X amount of years and her brother's age is equal to Y amount of years. Now, according to the question, 5 times Sarah's age, which we assumed as X, 5x, and 3 times her brother's age, which we assume as Y, gives a total of 100. So 5x plus 3y is equal to 100, and we consider this as a first equation. And second says the sum of Sarah's age and her brother's age is 22, and Sarah's age we assume X and her brother's Y, so X plus Y is equal to 22, which we consider as second equation. So therefore, in order to do simultaneous equations, we need, from second equation, we can assume X is equal to 22 minus Y, as whenever something goes from left to right, the sign have to change from positive Y to negative Y, and this equation will become our third equation. Now put the value of X in third equation, put third equation in first one. So therefore the value of X should be different. So f5 is equal to So while putting that third equation in 1, it will change 5, and instead of x it will be 22 minus y plus 3y is equal to 100. 22 times 5 gives you 110 minus 5y plus 3y equal 100, and when we simplify it, minus 2y will be equal to 100 minus 110, so minus 2y is equal to minus 110. So minus 2y is equal to minus 10, minus minus cancels out, and y is equal to 10 over 2, which is 5. So now put y equal 5 in third equation, therefore x is equal to 22 minus 5, which is 17. So Sarah's age is equal to x, which is 17 years, and her brother's age is equal to y, which is 5 years, and that's your answer. So it is very important in this type of question to assume which we need to assume as a requirement. Then it is very significant to obtain the given information in the question to be successful to get your solution. Like in this case, it's very important when you know 5 times gives you like Sarah's age is which we assume as x, 5x, and her brother's age we assume as y, which is 3 times 3y, and if we add them it will give you 100. So that's the first case which is given in the question, and then the sum of Sarah's age and her brother's age is 22, which is x and y, which we assume already. So it will be x plus y is equal to 22, and after that we can simultaneously that equations into particular equations which is our requirement.